Fundamental design issues in SPC. Programming using the message passing paradigm. Principle of message. Principle of message passing programming. The building blocks send and receive operations. MPI. The message passing interface topology and embedding. Overlapping communication with computation. Collective communication and computation operation and one-dimensional matrix vector. Multiplication. Single source shortest path, sample sort, groups and communication, 2D matrix vector multiplication, synchronization and related algorithm, synchronization scheduling, job allocation, job patterning, dependency analysis, mapping, parallel algorithm and onto parallel architecture, performance analysis, parallel algorithm, programming, shared address space platforms, thread basics, why threads, the POSIX thread API, thread basic creation and termination, synchronization primitives in pthread, controlling thread and synchronization attribute, thread cancellation, composite synchronization construct, tips of designing asynchronization program, operand MP standard for direct-based parallel program, advanced tools, techniques, and application, bandwidth limitation, latency limitations, latency hiding, tolerating techniques in their limitation, dense matrix algorithm, matrix vector multiplication, matrix multiplication, sorting issues, sorting on parallel computers, sorting networks, sort and its variation, quick sort, bucket and sample sort, shared address space parallel formalities, single source shortest path, distributed memory formula. HPC enabled advanced technologies, search algorithms for discrete optimization problems, search overhead factors, parallel depth first search, parallel based first search, introduction to petascale computing, optics in parallel computing, quantum computers, recent development in nanotechnology and its impact on HPC, power aware processing techniques in HPC. Mobile computing, fundamental of wireless and basics of wireless in network, digital communication, wireless communication system and limitation, wireless media frequency spectrum technology in digital wireless communication channel specification, wireless network, wireless switching technology and wireless communication, mobile communication and computing. Mobile computing architecture, mobile devices, mobile system networks, mobility management, security, mobile devices and system, mobile phones, digital music players, handheld pocket computers, handheld devices, operating system, limitations of mobile devices, automation system. GSM and other architecture, GSM services and system architecture, radio interfaces, protocols, localization, calling, handover, security, new data services, modulation, multiplexing, controlling the medium access, spread spectrum, coding method, CDMA 2000, WCDMA and CDMA 2004, G network, 5G network, mobile network and transport layer, IP and mobile IP networks layer, packet delivery and handover management, location management, registration, tunneling and encapsulation, route optimization, dynamic host configuration, protocol, mobile transport layer, conventional TCP IP transport layer protocol, indirect TCP, snooping TCP, mobile ad hoc network, routing and routing algorithm in MANET, security in ad hoc networks, data dissemination, data synchronization in mobile computing, communication asymmetry, classification, data delivering mechanism, data dissemination, broadcast models, selecting, tuning and indexing techniques, synchronization software for mobile devices, synchronization process, protocols, mobile device and mobile operating systems. Mobile device and mobile operating system, mobile agent application framework, application server, gateway, services discovery, device management, mobile file system, mobile operating system, characteristic, basic functionality of operating system, Windows 8, iOS, Android, web technology, IoT web technology. The Internet of Things today, time for convergence towards the IoT universe, IoT vision, IoT studies, research and innovation direction, IoT application future, Internet technologies, infrastructure, networks and communication process, data management, security, privacy, trust, device level energy issues, IoT related standardization, recommendation or research topic, IoT application for value creation, IoT application for factory, future factory concept, brownfield IoT, smart object, smart application, core aspects in your business to master IoT, value creation from big data and serialization, IoT for retailing industry, IoT for oil gas industry, opinions on IoT applications and value for industry, home management, e-health, IoT privacy, security, governance, overview of governance, privacy, security issues, contribution from EPT project, security, privacy and test in IoT data platforms for smart cities, first step towards a secure international smart village. Internet based smart village, smart village concept, theory and infrastructure of a smart village, secure platforms, a smarty approach, data aggregation, the IoT in a smart security, a smart village security, architectural approach for IoT empowerment, defining a common architectural ground, IoT standardization in 2M services layer standardization, OGC sensor web for IoT, IEE, IETF and ITUT standardization activities, interoperability plans for validation and testing, important economic dimensions, research roadmap for IoT testing methodology, semantic as an interoperability enabler and related work, identity management models in IoT, vulnerability of IoT security, requirement challenge for a secure IoT, identity management, portrayal, different identity management model, local identity, network identity, federated identity, global web identity, identity management, IoT user, concentric identity management, device centric identity management, hybrid trust management in IoT, trust management, life cycle identity and trust, third party approach, public key infrastructure, attribute certificate, web of trust model, web services security, SAML approach, Fuji approach for trust access control in IoT, different access control schemes, authentication and access control policies modeling, cloud computing, introduction, roots, mainframe and benefits of cloud computing, SOA, web services, web 2.0 mashups, grid computing, utility computing, hardware virtualization, essential of cloud, characteristic, challenge and economic role of network in cloud computing, cloud types and services models, cloud computing platforms, OpenStack, OpenNimbus, Eucalyptus, primary cloud service model, cloud service brokerage, primary cloud development models, cloud computing reference model, the greenfield and brownfield development options.